No, you know what? I've been using that phone before I signed up with BlackBerry. But I usually have two numbers, and I've also been using the BlackBerry for a good 4 to 5 years. But since the new Z10 phone that they gifted me and I've been using it, it's quite similar in the stuff you can do with it, and I'm actually quite enjoying it. So I think I'm going to get rid of the other one and stick with this one. I don't mind having numbers of everyone. I wouldn't not mind having anyone's number, and I think they've been kind enough to share their numbers with me also. So yeah, I'm quite happy. I would like to hear his dialogues and his voice, and agar shot ke pehle, if I want to inspire myself, I can quickly go and hear his dialogue or see a shot from his movie. I think it will be truly inspiring for new actors like us. Well, it's an app which I don't have a large body of work. है तो कुछ नई फिल्म, but so you can hear my songs, you can see my pictures. ऐसे तो कोई अच्छे कोई खूबसूरत pictures तो है नहीं, but you can see videos of my songs and movies and stuff like that. So it's something interactive in that sense. Yeah, but when I'm shooting, it's not that my phone is with me, but whenever I'm at home or if I'm doing some, I'm in a meeting and that red light flashes, it's very exciting, it's very distracting, and I think that's what also resembles the heart of BlackBerry phones. Yes, it's coming out on 31st of May. Really excited. It's my second film with my best friend Ayan. It's Deepika and my second film after Bachna Hai Hasina. It's really we're trying to make a love story of the generation and make a really nice, fun, entertaining love story. So I hope that people give it a chance and come to the theatres to see it. Well, it was lovely. She's truly like the BlackBerry, evolved as an actor, and it's always great to see someone who you've been so close to reach where she is, truly because of her hard work, her resilience, her vision, her intelligence, and I'm really proud about everything that she's achieved today. Yes, depends how many phones they gift me today. बहुत demand आई है घर से ही. I've got some 8 phone demands from my family members. तो जो भी बचता है, I'll try and hide them and give it to my co-stars. गैजेट्स तो बदलते रहते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी कीप्स पुशिंग इटसेल्फ, सो आपको बदलना रहना चाहिए, लेकिन गर्लफ्रेंड आप अगर वो बदलोगे तो अच्छा नहीं होगा. स्टिक टू 1%. My mom, because when they gave me a phone, I made it I made it a point that they give her a phone also. So yeah, she keeps checking on if I've been shooting in Chandigarh in the last 30 days. So it's the best way to keep in touch. Actually, इसका कोई रीज़न नहीं है. अगर आप अच्छी फिल्में बनाओगे, अगर आप अच्छी इंगेजिंग स्टोरीज़ लिखोगे, तो आप कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हो. अगर आप मेरी फिल्म की बात करें बर्फ़ी, अगर वो वहाँ पहुँची नहीं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो अच्छी फिल्म नहीं थी. क्या होता है कि पूरी दुनिया के जो फिल्म्स आते हैं फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस के, वहाँ से कुछ 5 फिल्में चूज़ होते हैं. सो आई गेस वी वर नॉट गुड इनफ, बट कोशिश जारी रहेगी, मेरी नहीं पूरी इंडस्ट्री की, कि कभी ना कभी, जैसे लगान वॉज नॉमिनेटेड, मदर इंडिया वॉज नॉमिनेटेड, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि one day all 5 foreign film nominations will be from India and we'll keep winning awards. So it's at least we've reached there. At least एक exposure आ गया है इंडियन फिल्म्स के बारे में. पीपल आर मेकिंग बेटर मूवीज़, द बेटर स्टोरीज, मोर एंगेजिंग स्टोरीज, एंड अगर कहानी अच्छी है तो आई एम श्योर कि देयर इज़ नो लैंग्वेज बैरियर दैट यू कांट क्रॉस. यस, ये मैंने भी सुना है, बट ऐसा कुछ कंफर्म हुआ नहीं है. आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड इफ आई कैन वर्क विद माधुरी जी. आई एम बीन अ बिग फैन ऑफ हर्स, बिग एडमायरर. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन शी गॉट मैरिड आई ऑल्सो क्राइड. सो बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनके साथ काम करने के लिए, बट आई डोंट नो इफ दे हैव कंफर्म्ड इट.